Sleep is when arteries repair. Food decides how well. Your arteries don't heal when you exercise. They heal when you sleep. While you sleep, your body enters repair mode. Inflammation drops, blood vessels rebuild, damage gets cleaned up. That repair only works if your body has the right raw materials. Today, I'm going to show you 14 science-backed foods that support artery health while you sleep. Not overnight miracles, but real protection that compounds over time. So here's the problem. Inside your body are 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Over time, inflammation, cholesterol damage, and blood pressure stress cause plaque to stick on artery walls. At first, nothing hurts, then blood flow narrows, then stiffness sets in. And when plaque breaks loose, that's a heart attack, that's a stroke. Medicine usually reacts after this happens. Nutrition lets you get ahead of it. So why is sleep your secret weapon? Sleep isn't downtime, it's scheduled maintenance. During deep sleep, inflammation is reduced, immune activity resets, and arteries repair their lining. Poor sleep accelerates plaque. Quality sleep slows it. Food supplies the tools. Sleep does the work. That's the synergy. Here are 14 foods that support artery repair. Number 14, oats. Oats contain beta-glucan. It's a soluble fiber that traps LDL cholesterol and pulls it out of circulation. Less LDL equals less plaque material. Just 3 grams daily has been shown to lower LDL over time. Number 13, beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans. These are highly soluble fibers that lower LDL. They contain magnesium and potassium that helps regulate blood pressure. Slow digestion stabilizes blood sugar overnight, lowering inflammation. Number 12, pomegranate. One of the most researched fruits for artery health. They're packed with polyphenols that protect the artery lining, preserve nitric oxide, and slow plaque progression, even in people with existing narrowing. Number 11, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, rich in anthocyanins that protect the endothelial lining and reduces oxidative stress that damages arteries. 6 months of daily blueberries has shown to improve artery flexibility. Number 10, nuts. Walnuts and almonds. Walnuts provide plant-based omega-3s. Almonds deliver vitamin E and monounsaturated fats. Together, they lower LDL, protect it from oxidation, and preserve HDL. A small handful is enough. Number 9, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. They contain omega-3s that reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and improve artery lining function. Food sources outperform supplements. Eat it at dinner, and then you can let inflammation cool while you sleep. Number 8, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, chard. Loaded with dietary nitrates, they convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes your arteries, lowers pressure, and improves blood flow. 1 cup a day makes a measurable difference. Number 7, beets. One of the strongest nitric oxide boosting foods available. Beets improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce vessel stress overnight. Number 6, green tea. Green tea works where plaque actually begins, the artery lining. Rich in catechins that reduce LDL oxidation, improves endothelial function, and preserves nitric oxide. 1 to 2 cups early in the evening keeps these compounds working overnight. If this is useful, subscribe. We focus on real science that you can actually use, not hype. Now, let's hit the top 5. Number 5, extra virgin olive oil. Not just fat, polyphenol medicine. These compounds protect LDL from oxidation, the step that turns cholesterol dangerous. Use it daily, especially at dinner. Number 4, tomatoes with olive oil. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes plaque-forming oxidative stress. Absorption skyrockets when paired with fat. Tomatoes plus olive oil equals arterial armor. Number 3, dark chocolate, 70% plus. Cocoa flavonoids increase nitric oxide, improving blood flow, arterial flexibility, and blood pressure. Small amounts, low sugar, real cocoa. Number 2, avocado. Avocados support arteries in a unique way. They lower LDL without lowering HDL and improve LDL particle size, making cholesterol less sticky. They're also rich in potassium, helping blood vessels relax overnight. Half of an avocado with dinner is quite enough. And number 1, garlic, especially aged garlic extract. Garlic activates allicin, shown in imaging studies to slow plaque progression. Aged garlic extract reduces inflammation, improves cholesterol behavior, and supports healthy blood pressure. This isn't folklore, it's data backed. And here's a bonus tip. To make it all work, none of this matters if you don't sleep. Aim for a dark room, a cool temperature, and no screens before bed. Sleep is when arteries rebuild. So here's your top 5 recap. Number 5, olive oil. Number 4, tomatoes with olive oil. Number 3, dark chocolate. Number 2, avocados. And number 1, garlic. You don't reverse artery damage overnight. You out-repair it night after night. Food provides the tools. Sleep does the healing. And remember, now you know the rest of the story. But it's what you do with this information that counts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video gave you something valuable to take away. Your next step is just one click away. Check out our next video right here. And if you want to join this community and see more content like this, hit subscribe and give it a like. I truly appreciate the support.